cantaloupe, asparagus, sunchokes, couple corn. The gopher killed all the green beans. Have some zucchini, Armenian cucumbers, beets, tomato plants, baby tomato plants, pole beans. I planted them up here to see if we can get past the gopher. Corn. The cucumbers are starting to blossom. Some peppers, okra. Nothing seems to be really doing much. This is a beefsteak. It's doing quite well. These are Italian flat beans. Then we have the corn over there. Zinnias. Gaillardia. Gaillardia. Forget what those are called. Blanket flowers. Squash plants. Live Sam. And the potato bed. And I never planted this, but it won't go away either. It's a pretty lantana. And that's about it for this week's update.